Hello, hi, namaskar, namaste. I am Priyanka and welcome to my channel. I am taking True Naturals roasted flax seeds and taking 2 tablespoons of it and giving it a boil. We need a little sticky consistency, and this side of bowl we need for our face and the another one for our hair. So let's get ready and let's get started. We will apply the flax seeds gel to our hair. This gel is rich in vitamin E, which is great for both skin and hair health. The nutrients promote the health of the scalp by reducing free radical damage. It helps improving the circulation in the head, thus promoting the hair growth and slowing the hair breakage. Using the flax seeds gel or direct the flax seeds by consuming it, it improves the capillary efficiency on the scalp, which prevent hair loss and promote hair growth. The flax seeds are a good source of several vitamins and minerals needed for optimal health. We can directly consume it by powdering it or during our breakfast also. So do you also know that the flax seeds contain soluble fiber which may promote weight loss by reducing hunger and decreasing cravings? So now let's do some facial care using the natural and organic flax seeds gel. Flax seeds contain lignans and antioxidants that help in the prevention of fine lines and wrinkles on the face. The fatty acids in flax seeds help in keeping the skin moisturized and smooth. This DIY flax seeds gel makes our skin bright and improves the complexion also, and also help our skin get tighten and smooth out the fine line. Eating flax seeds can repair skin from the inside out by curbing inflammation, balancing androgen production, strengthening the integrity of our skin, and the flax seeds can make our skin look smoother and more radiant. I personally have used this gel for a month, and so if you do, you will see a great difference. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and also the bell icon. So take care of yourself and everybody around you. See you next time in my next video. Bye bye.